Where's the birds? Oh. Oh my. Good morning. Can you hug mommy? Hug mommy. Hug mommy. Don't touch that. Ay, no. Tada! Aray ko.
Meron pa isa. Isa pa ba?
Kali, wag mo naman i-anuhin yan.
Sa kabilang side.
Madali, Kali. Hi, Kali! You say hi! Hindi ko na pinakita kahapon. Si Bea. Yung anak ko, baka pag nakita ako, sasama sa akin.
Cracker.
Sabihin mo, hug tita.
Cracker.
Sabihin mo, hug tita. Nagbablog naman ako as if i-edit ko to, no? Let's see. First time ko mag-vlog actually naka-rectangle.
Ay, so cute.
Nalimutan ko mag-intro yesterday, pero wala nang intro. Nandito na kami sa Grand Beach Campground.
Walang intro.
Kahapon pa kami. Hindi na ako nag-vlog yesterday kasi medyo nagkakainitan na ng kaluluwa. Nag-set up kami kahapon. So, nandito na kami. Sa may Grand Beach lang naman. 1 hour from Winnipeg. 5 minutes lang na... Well, 5 minutes. 1 minute na takbo. Super lamig kagabi. Nakipagpalit ako ng pwesto kay Dan. Yung usual namin, katabi ko si Kali sa kama. Siya'y nasa baba. Ay, nakipagpalit ako kasi tinutok ko yung katawan ko sa heater. Malamig, girl. As in, tagang alas 4, sabi ko, love, di pa ako natutulog, palit tayo yung heater.
Hindi naman nag-ano, girl.
Eh, every time tinutodo ko yung heater, girl, nagtitrip. So,
I see.
ano lang, number 1 lang kami. Ito din daw gawin ni Bea. Senka.
Mag-forward your own.
One gerang halo, haru. A whiskey one to one geran haru, haru. The whiskey one, the riganagu. You want blueberry or strawberry? Strawberry na lang? You want strawberry na lang, Kali? Strawberry. Burberry.
Wow.
Bless. I don't think you can zoom on these.
Sarap. Yummy.
Sa mga magbabash na naman na bakit binibigyan siya ng whole strawberry, hindi niya kakainin yan pag chinap-chop mo. So might as well give her whole and then watch her na lang.
You know to thing? Drink off of that now?
Oo.
What age do they say don't have to suck on that cup?
I don't know. They said teach them. I taught her pero it's really hard. And then she just Love. Check mo nga si Kali, okay lang ba siya dyan? Oh, no.
Ayun ako.
Wait, nasusunog na to ah.
Sunog na to.
Tignan ko. Tignan ko nga. Nasa yun to nga, isa lang. Ay, sunog. Are you finished, madam? Say thank you. Thank you. Etong ano niya, etong camp chair niya. Say hi. Etong camp chair niya galing kay Ninang Mavi. Pwede itong booster, pwedeng tanggalin yung paa, pwedeng nakatayo, pwede rin naman hindi. Pwedeng hanggang dito lang yung paa niya. Pwede. Parang 3-in-1 siya. Ayun o, Kali, go! Wow! Tino nga, flip mo nga, Kali. Ay, oo nga, wala. Say thank you! Say thank you! Yummy? Yummy?
Sarap. Yummy.
Sa mga magbabash na naman na bakit binibigyan siya ng whole strawberry, hindi niya kakainin yung pag chinap-chap mo. So might as well give her whole and then watch her na lang.
Drink off of that now?
Oo.
What age do they start knowing how to suck the cup?
I don't know. They said teach them. I taught her pero it's really hard. And then she just Bumili ako ng mga bagong toys niya kasi nga para bago sa paningin niya this camping, hindi siya magsawa. Show them your toy, anak ko. Dali. Ito. May isa pa sa ano eh. Sa aming bed. Pero ayan, 4. Say hi! Ito ang kanyang mini kulungan. Mainit dyan. Lumabas ka man.
Competition. It's like rank for League of Legends, but there's cleaning. Oh, Bea here cleaning the plate. How clean can she get the plate clean? I don't think she's gonna do a good job in this competition.
Ingay.
Oh, she's using the old dirty water in this. Oh, I don't think she's gonna get a good score off of this. Oh shit. How to make a rice. Water and rice. Yes. The monster out of the habitats. She is putting stuff on her face so she doesn't turn into a monster.
Anong sak?
God. We're here, day 26 in the wilderness. We are surviving. Day 26. My first rice. Alright, we'll be right back after these commercials. What time are you guys going? There's one there posted in the market. No, not.